Hello everyone, my name is Dhawai Pallavi and our today's topic name is contentment. And what is mean by contentment? Contentment is a relationship between the class. It is a object of a class that can be used object of a second class as a data member. The contentment is a simple approach which we can use to access the second class property in the parent class. And then it is need to access the second class property in the parent class. Containment indicates the we can create the second class object in the our parent class. There is one example for contentment. In that contentment, suppose first we create a class, and second we create a base class, and third we create a main class. In first a class we have some string, suppose integer a and integer b. Then second we can create the second class object in our parent class. Suppose our second class name is second class, then we can create the second class object in the first class. And that is easy way to access the second class property in our first class. And next class is same as it is first class. Then second, suppose we have created this a second class, and second class have also data members, suppose integer name, integer string name, and integer number. So we can create a third class object in the second class. That is easy way to access the third class property into the second class and parent class. And the in that last one is main. We can create the main class. There is we can create the all type of object in that and assign the value in the main class. Containment is a primitive behavior. It is used to insert, remove, or maintain the object. Containment contains the many object, and it is also used to create a second class object in the first class. So I have difference between inheritance or containment. In inheritance we can create and we can share those property, common property, to the child class, and child class access the common property to the parent class. It can access easily common property to the child class. And in containment is access to the object of second class into the first class, and it is also access second class data member into the first class. That is easy way to access containment data member. And in inheritance derived class can be override the base class in inheritance. And containment containment object cannot be override the containment object of first class. In inheritance we can add the data or function in the base class, and we can change the base class when we can add more data into the base class. But in that containment we cannot be add the object of first class and data and function into the object of first class, and we cannot be add the data member of in the first class. So that is a difference about inheritance and containment. So containment are very useful, and it is so all about the containment. Thank you.